In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use character voices in a chat on Google Chrome. If you want to hear a character's responses spoken out loud instead of only reading them on screen, this is a very simple feature to set up. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the chat you want to use. You can start a conversation with any character you like, or open one you already have. Make sure the chat window is fully loaded so all of the controls are visible. This helps you avoid missing the option we're about to use. Once you're inside the chat, look near the top right area of the chat window for the voice icon. It may appear as a speaker symbol, so keep an eye out for that visual cue. When you find it, click on it to open the voice settings for that character chat. This is where you'll choose how the spoken responses will sound. After clicking the icon, you'll see a voice library appear. From here, you can browse through the available voices and select one that matches the style or tone you want. If there are many options and you already have something specific in mind, you can also use the search feature to look for a particular sound more quickly. Take a moment to preview your options if that's available, so you can choose a voice that feels natural and easy to listen to. When you've found the voice you want, the final step is to turn the voice feature on. Look for the voice toggle or switch and set it to on. Once that switch is enabled, the character's responses should begin playing aloud as spoken audio during the chat. If you don't hear anything right away, it's a good idea to check that your device volume is turned up and that your browser isn't muted. Also make sure the selected voice is still active in the settings. Small checks like these can save time if the audio doesn't start immediately. And that's it. Open a chat in Google Chrome, click the speaker icon, choose a voice from the library or search for one you want, and turn the voice switch on to hear the character speak. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything set up quickly and smoothly.